Hinagupit man ng malagim na bagyong Yolanda ang Pilipinas, hindi pa rin mababago ang katotohanan na ang ating bansa ay perlas ng silangan. Kaya naman sa kabila ng madilim na pangyayaring ito ay patuloy na sumusuporta ang buong mundo para sa mabilis na pagbangon. Isa na dito ang pagpili ng presteryosong beauty contest na Miss Earth sa Pilipinas upang maiangat ang kamangha-mangha nitong turismo at proyekto nitong ecotourism campaign.
Gusto naming ipakita sa buong mundo na mayroong mga ecotourism na hindi kailangan galawin ang ating mga natural resources and at the same time mag-e-enjoy pa rin ang mga tao.
Mapapatunayan ang saya at sigla ng turismo sa bansa sa pamamagitan ng mga nasaksihan ng ilang contestants.
As in Philippines, it's so nice. People are so welcoming.
Because of the people, you can find nice places everywhere, but you cannot find as nice people as the Philippines somewhere else in the world, because everyone is smiling, everyone is enjoying himself and herself, so I just love the Philippines.
It's a very fantastic place, you know. I came here the second time and I enjoyed this place.
The Philippines is wonderful.
The people in the Philippines have really nice. When I come with my friends, the beauty patients, all the way, every place, please support this beauty patients.
At syempre, atin ding alamin kung ano-ano ba ang mga paghahandang kanilang ginawa.
I'm eating less, for example, sugar. That's a big thing. I'm doing more exercise. I'm also trying to read the news as much as I can, just so that I'm keeping up with what's going on.
Really did a lot of preparation before that. I began this, I think, March or February. I already doing lots of charity events to protecting the earth in China. We kind of to plant trees and to encourage people to do good things, to devote money and time to protecting our earth. And I also should exercise and should do some details and to prepare beautiful dressing and also to perfect my English.
At ang hindi rin natin dapat kalimutang suportahan ay ang ating pambato na si Miss Angeli De Los Reyes.
Well, I'm very proud kasi despite of the typhoons and the disasters that happened to us, we are still looking forward to promote our ecotourism, and I know that our people can do it. Sabi nga nila, bangon Pilipinas. Sa mga kapwa ko po Pinoy, this is Angeli De Los Reyes, your Miss Earth Philippines 2013. Suportahan po ninyo ako sa December 7 on the Grand Pageant Night of Miss Earth 2013. That will be in Alabang, Versailles Palace. And of course, you can also vote for Miss Photogenic and Miss Eco Beauty Video through Facebook. Just search for Miss Earth Pageant Facebook page. Thank you so much!